Python programming, there are so tools in Python, technologies in Python C, artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, cyber security. Sir, some disturbance is coming. Hello, sir. Some disturbance is coming, sir. Okay. So where we are using Python C in artificial.
Sir, it has been sorted out now.
Sorry, sir. Sir, anything? Any doubts? Students, any doubts, please ask me. Hello, sir. Any doubts? Hello, please respond, anyone? Sir, my screen is visible, sir. Murlidhar, sir. Anika, madam, my screen is visible. Hello? Ayush? Arya? Please, anyone, please respond. Ashish, Aman Kumar. My screen is visible.
Sir, could you please repeat? Yes, sir, it's visible.
Okay. Any doubts with the students? Any doubts? So these are the technologies we are using in Python programming. Internet of Things, blockchain technology, big data, cyber security, deep learning, machine learning, artificial intelligence. Then these are the 5 reasons why we are using in Python in data science. Data science professionals can get up to speed quickly. Data science teams can form quickly. Python's extensive library, data science tools are all. Python can be used for nearly anything in data science. Scripts in Python can be developed quickly. So building secure Python applications, artificial intelligence, robotics, quantum computing, web development, web scraping, automation and testing, blockchain technology, ethical hacking. So these are the benefits. It is simplifies debugging, it open source programming language, it useful in automation, it uses real world engineering products, it reduces development time, it enhances productivity, it is a powerful language. So this is my channel. In the statistics, I have executed already linear regression. See here, this is the problem. For example, let's say we want to model that relationship between the number of hours studied and the number of scores on a test. We collect data on 10 students and record the number of hours studied and their corresponding test scores. So 2 hours 60 marks, 3 hours 70 marks, 4 hours 80 marks. Now see, using the above data, we can calculate the slope and intercept values using the following formula. For example, if a student studies 7 hours, we can predict their test score using following formula. Y is equal to mx plus c, a plus bx. A is a minus 10 plus 15x. So 95. Therefore, we can predict that student who studies for 7 hours will score 95 on the